Hi everyone, so in this video, I'll be walking you through creating manual journal entries and recurring postings in SmartBooks. So what we'll do now is to record the following transactions using the journal voucher. So the transaction is that on January 3 of the current year, so in this case, 2025, so ito yung mga unrecorded na kailangan ihabol. So the company issued ordinary share capital worth 1 million, payment was made on cash. So what we will do first is i-backdate lang natin. So gawin natin January 3, 2025. Ayan. Then let's indicate in the notes issuance of ordinary shares. Then what we will do is to select yung debit, cash on hand, then credit, ordinary share capital. So dito sa baba, select lang natin cash on hand, GL account number 101100101. Okay? Then, lagay natin yung debit natin, 1 million. Then, click add. Then, lagay natin yung ating credit na ordinary share. Credit, 1 million. Click add. Okay, so, double check everything. Your date, January 3. Yan. So, once you're all good, so you will take a screenshot of this, then save po natin. So kapag ka-save natin siya, automatically posted siya. But we could also create a journal voucher na draft. Okay, so ibig sabihin yung sinet up mo muna siya, pero we're not yet going to post it. So what we'll do, pwede natin click yung new. Then, ang gagawin natin is to record the transaction. On March 30 of the current year, the company recorded salary expense worth of 10,000 and paid for through cash. So, select natin yung date, March 30. Lagyan natin dito is salary expense. Okay, so what we'll do is to select the debit, salaries, and wages. Lagay natin dyan, 10,000. Add. Then, let's select cash on hand, 10,000. Click add. So, make sure the dates are correct, your notes, your GL, accounts, the amount. Then, just click save as draft. Save as draft. So, next part is to create an adjusting entry. So, paano naman tayo gagawa ng JE? So, mag-new naman tayo. So, what we will do is to record on March 31 of the current year. March 31 of the current year. Yan. Company accrue the current month's electricity and water. So, lagay lang natin accrual of utility. Then, GL account natin, select natin dyan electricity and water. 13,450. Add. Then, select natin accrued payable. Credit 13,450. Okay, so once you're good with that, okay na yung dates natin, click lang natin yung save. Next, let's try to create recurring postings. So, try natin to create a recurring posting to automatically record yung rent. So, punta tayo ng financials, recurring postings. Then, gawin natin dito, yung code natin is RP and then the branch number. So, in my case, I'll put 00. Then, for the description, lagay natin monthly rent. Then, your entry will be rent expense, debit, then cash on hand, credit, 25,000. Select natin yung rent. Okay, rent expense, 25,000. Then next one, cash on hand. Now, what we would do is to add natin na it's posted every 15th of the month and then it's from April 1 of the current year until April 1 next year. So, gawin natin dito is monthly. Yan. Then, lagay natin start date is your April 1, 2026. So, double check everything before clicking add. Okay, so that's it for your exercises for Q6.